In this video, I'll show you how to change your phone number on Zelle within the Wells Fargo app. If you've recently updated your number or no longer use your old one, it's important to make sure Zelle is linked to the correct contact info so you can send and receive money without issues. First, go ahead and open the Wells Fargo app on your phone and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu bar at the bottom of the screen and then go to Profile and Settings. Here, tap on your profile initials at the top. Now, scroll down until you see Contact Information and select it. On this screen, you'll be able to update your details. Tap on Phone Number, then go ahead and add your new number. Once you've entered it, save the changes so your account updates with the new contact info. After updating your number in your profile, you'll also need to make sure it's enabled for Zelle. To do that, go back to the home screen of the Wells Fargo app and tap on Pay and Transfer at the bottom. From there, select Zelle from the list. On the next screen, accept the terms and conditions if you haven't already. Now, you'll be able to choose or activate the new phone number you just added. You can also disable the old number you no longer use on this same screen. And that's it! You've now successfully changed your Zelle phone number in the Wells Fargo app. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.